TensorFlow is an open-source framework developed by Google for building and training machine learning models. It helps developers create models that can make predictions, recognize patterns, and even learn from data on their own. It's widely used in areas like image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. At its core, TensorFlow is all about helping computers understand and process data. It does this by using something called neural networks, which are systems modeled after the human brain. These networks help computers learn from examples, just like how we learn by seeing, hearing, or experiencing things. TensorFlow is designed to handle complex calculations efficiently. It breaks down tasks into smaller, manageable pieces and distributes them across multiple processors, making it fast and scalable. This means that TensorFlow can handle everything from small projects to large-scale machine learning tasks that require huge amounts of data. One of the things that makes TensorFlow special is its flexibility. It supports both training and inference, which means it can be used to create models and then run them to make predictions on new data. It also works across different platforms, so you can build a model on your laptop and then deploy it to the cloud or a mobile phone. Another great feature of TensorFlow is its large community. With tons of resources, tutorials, and pre-built models available, it's easy for both beginners and experienced developers to get started. Whether you're working on simple projects or building cutting-edge AI applications, TensorFlow has you covered. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.